Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today we're going to be replacing the PCV valve on this here 2003 Dodge Caravan with a 3.3 liter. You can do it using a crescent wrench. It's a little bit harder, but it can be done that way. But a deep 15/16 socket, this works perfect to get the PCV valve out and back in. So that socket, a 1/2 inch socket wrench or whatever wrench you got to fit on it, and of course the PCV valve. This will be the same on many makes and models as long as it has the same PCV valve and I believe the 3.3, maybe a 3.8 liter engine as well. But this will be the same on different years, makes, models of the same engine size. Hopefully there'll be a list of that in the comments below, or in the description I should say. If you need any of these parts, make sure you look for a link in the description to buy the parts. And like, subscribe, and share while we're doing this. This is real quick. Let's get the maintenance done on this. You should do it too. Real cheap, easy, fast maintenance that a lot of people overlook. So let's get this done. Takes a few minutes. Here we go.
The PCV valve on this vehicle is located right here on the back side of the engine, between the engine and the firewall, directly on top of the valve cover. The hose leading from the PCV valve goes into the intake on the suction side of your throttle body. Not all PCV valves have a recommended service interval, but they should be replaced often. To get this one off, I use this hose clamp or hose pliers. There'll be a link in the description to buy these if you need them, but you could use a regular straight pair of pliers or even just pull it directly up. If you don't change a PCV valve, it becomes clogged up, and if it gets stuck shut, you'll increase the pressure in the engine, which will cause an increase in oil consumption and more problems later. If the PCV valve gets stuck in an open position, you could also get a vacuum leak through the engine, which could cause more problems such as hesitation and just problems hard to find because of this little problem, or issue I should say. Here I'm using that 15/16 deep socket on a 1/2 inch socket wrench. The 1/2 inch socket wrench is a little bit of overkill, but it is what was easy to use at the time. When you tighten these, you don't want to tighten them enough to break them. Get all the way out. Get to where it's just hand tight and you can screw it out with your fingers. I always suck on it and blow on it, which is fun. Just kidding. That's to make sure that the PCV valve is operating properly. Sometimes when you do suck on it, you will suck up some vapors or some oil. So use caution when you do so, please. Get it to finger tight first, and then I will hook that wrench on. But when I am using that 1/2 inch socket wrench, I'm not pulling on it at the very end of the wrench to get the most leverage that this wrench can offer. I'm choking up on it and only twisting it from the neck, low parts of the neck, to get it going, so I don't have much leverage on it or to snap it if it runs into a hard spot. The PCV valve is made out of plastic, so it is brittle. When tying it down, you want to get it nice and snug. Good and tight is a good torque spec. I couldn't find a torque specification on it, but I can't imagine it being more than 8 to 11 pounds. And that's pretty much it. Put this hose back on, make sure everything's sealed properly, start it up, and you're all good to go. Thanks for watching.
So hopefully that helped you out on that PCV change. This was real simple, real easy to do. You should be able to suck on it but not blow on it. If you can blow through it, you know it's bad. This one isn't that bad, so maintenance done, but I don't think anything's going to change. Like, subscribe, share, comment below, click the links below to buy the parts if needed. I'll see you on the next, hopefully, helpful video. Oh yeah, make sure you look at my other videos. You can see the secret way to pull the codes on this thing. Like, subscribe, and share.